Hey, so our washing machine has been filling on the cold side very, very slow. So in order to fix that, I think what we're going to have to do is replace an inlet filter. But there's no shut-off valves on the water up here. So I had to shut off the water pump completely, let the pressure drain. I went out and got a couple of cut-off valves. I don't know if you can see those or not, but right there, they're installed now already. Washing machine's already taken apart. And this is the valve right here. I gotta check the inlets. And hopefully that'll take it from having to do 4 hours per load to 45 minutes. So hopefully that works. We'll see. Okay, so you can't see this. So we're going to see if you can see this. This valve is fairly clear. That's the hot water one. That's the cold water one. And that's why the cold water wasn't running. Because the filter there is pretty clear. The filter here is totally calcified. Here's the parts that I bought thinking that this is probably the problem. And I'm thinking I probably made the right choice. So apparently I got the wrong size filters. They don't fit inside the valve. But where they do fit is inside the coupling that goes to the hose. So we got one there, and because I got 3, there's still one in the package as a spare. So I initially went to put these into the valve, which is here. Now I'm just refitting it down into the machine. Normally it would have been back there inside that. I don't know if you could see that or not, but so this being done, once I connect this to that, well, to that, then we're good. So let's see how it goes. Well, it may have taken one more tool than I thought I needed, but it's working. So everything's up and running. We're good. So if anybody says when one of those electrical valves fails in your Admiral or Kenmore or whatever it happens to be, and you're best off not to try and repair it, just replace it. This is proof that that's not always the case. And I got lucky. These filters that I ordered, well, not that I ordered, that I found in the store, didn't fit inside the valve like the old ones did. But they did fit inside the hose coupling, right where it screws into the valve. So I took the ones out of the valve, put these ones in the hose, and boom, it's up and running. Obviously, probably not the best solution because, oh gee, why would it not be the best solution? Oh, if we ever sold the washer, it'd come with no filter. But if we never sell it, then it's not a problem. Now if we get a washing machine from somewhere else that doesn't have one of these filters, guess what? We got one in the line. So, hey, it's all good. At least for our side. Thanks for watching.